All right, YouTube and all my fans out there, I just want to let y'all know, I just want to get this video in and give y'all an update about the car, the 68 Cadillac Coupe Deville. I know some of y'all been asking me about it, but you know, I had to get some parts ordered, and ordering parts in the pandemic, man, it takes a while to get them in. So hopefully all these parts will start riding and getting in the Mobile, Alabama, and we can start getting this car put together. I got it in the shop today, got it off the trailer. It's not at the paint shop, it's at a garage where we're going at Majestic Tire and Auto here in Mobile, Alabama on Airport Boulevard. But I just want to show y'all what I got going on. I'm at the shop today, it's Saturday, a day before Valentine's Day, and I'm spending my Valentine's with my car right there, you know what I mean? So there it is right there. So I just got to get, you know, the wheels is already ordered. I got some Forgianos 26-inch. I got the offset, I got 10-inch in the back. So the wheels will be in hopefully next Friday. We'll put them on. And I took the airbags back off for right now and put the leaf spring or the coil springs back on. Not leaf springs, but coil springs. I put them back on. Let me just show y'all what I'm talking about. Let's flip it around. Anyway, we just put them back on for right now till I can get the motor set in here and get everything set up, because the only thing is with the airbags, I don't have the engine in. I don't have a way to keep them aired up and have them function like I need to. So I just went on and, you know, and put the coil springs back on and brought it back to riding height. So, but anyway, just want to show y'all what I got going on today at the shop. Just getting a lot of dust off of it, and finna get ready to put the motor in. So we got the March system. It should be here next week. So we can put the, you know, we're gonna put this serpentine one belt on it. So all that's gonna be chrome. That's gonna look awesome when I show y'all the next time we put this engine together and put it in the car. I do have my oil pan on, you know. So once we get that March system, that engine gonna be right. That's a 500. It's a 500 out of 1972 Eldorado. So it's going in a 68. I got the transmission down here. That's the torque. That's a torque converter. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna do it right, man. I ain't gonna do it half-ass do it. But that's my transmission. That's my grandbaby's buggy that we got to get fixed. But that's the transmission ready to go in. And let's see here. Show y'all. Just trying to show y'all what I got going on. That's my torque converter. I got it in. So, but anyway, just out here playing some music. Out here playing some music. Got my truck right there in the driveway, just playing some music. And just want to give y'all an update on the car and let you know it ain't gonna be long for this bad booger. I'll be riding down the road, but we're gonna put those wheels on it next week, hopefully, and drop this engine in it. And then I'm just waiting on the wiring harness. You know, y'all notice, hold on, let me show you. Don't have no wiring because it ain't came in. It's been taking about 2 months for me to get the wiring harness. So I'm waiting on that to get in so I can get it on and get it installed. So, but I ain't in no hurry, man. I'm enjoying this build. You know, I'm doing a lot of work myself. I got guys helping me, giving me a hand here and there around the shop here. Brandon done got it out the paint shop, but he's waiting on it to get it back so he can, you know, go ahead and finish it. Paint it, buff it, shine it, whatever he got to do. He's got to put all my guts in for my doors. So we still got some stuff to do. I got some new chrome mirrors and dry mirrors. I got all kind of new stuff coming in, just waiting. I'm getting pieces at a time. So, but anyway, there it is, 1960 Cadillac Coupe Deville, coming to you near you soon, somewhere at a car show. Later.
me down.